What is going on, guys? In this video I'm gonna share how to use atomic habits to build habits and achieve success in your online business. At the end I'm gonna share where you can find my free video training and get started with this very useful system I've been using since 2019. I never switched to another system because I knew this was the key to unlocking success for my audience. And now I want to share this powerful solution with you too. Anyway, without further ado, let's dive into atomic habits and achieving success. Setting up a routine is a powerful way to form habits that can help us reach our goals in the long run. By doing the same things over and over, we can make them a natural part of our daily lives. This is especially important when it comes to entrepreneurship, where the daily grind can sometimes feel overwhelming and require significant motivation to keep pushing forward. One example of a routine that can help with building a successful online business is committing to creating content every day, whether it is blog posts, updates on social media, videos, or any other kind of content. Putting out new content regularly can help you build a presence online and get people to follow you. Actually, can is the wrong choice of word. It will help you build a presence online. In addition to creating content, it's also important to make a commitment to learning something new every day. The internet is a vast source of information, and by dedicating a little bit of time each day to expanding your knowledge, you can stay up to date with the latest trends and techniques in your industry. Finally, another key aspect of building a successful online business is teaching others. I would say that this actually is the most important thing. A mental shift to become a teacher from being a consumer is the one thing that you must have in order to succeed online. Whether it is through tutorials, webinars, or mentoring, sharing your knowledge with others can help establish you as an authority in your field and build a community around your brand. So as a teacher, you need to have a routine. You need to make this a habit. One book that can be particularly helpful for developing a routine and establishing good habits is Atomic Habits by James Clear. In this book, Clear gives you a plan for making and keeping good habits, getting rid of bad ones, and reaching your goals. He emphasizes the importance of focusing on small incremental improvements over time, rather than trying to make big changes all at once. As a YouTube influencer and online marketer with many years of experience, I would say that incremental improvements over time in the right direction is the thing you should be focusing on. But finding the right direction is a bit tricky because everyone wants your attention, but they might not have the heart of being of service to another person, but instead taking advantage of them. As a coach for online marketing, I know how important it is to have a routine and stick to it. When I first started my online business in 2019, I struggled to see results. But by committing to creating content every day, learning something new every day, and teaching others through my YouTube videos and webinars, I was able to gradually build my audience and establish myself as an authority in my field. Of course, building a successful online business takes time and effort, but by following a routine that emphasizes creating content, learning and teaching, you can establish a solid foundation for your business and set yourself up for success in the long term. If you are interested in learning more about how to build a successful online business, I highly recommend checking out the digital education platform that I use in my own marketing strategy. And when we are talking about getting the right direction, because we are gonna do small incremental improvements over time, but the right direction for me was actually this system. And I got a wonderful education that helped me start my online business. So this platform provides a wealth of resources and training materials that can help you get started and build your business. And when you become a member, you will also receive a personal coach to guide you along the way. As a member, you can earn commissions by bringing other people to the platforms. But you can also invest in other products to get more content that you can learn and apply and then teach someone else. While it takes time to build up your income, the potential for earning passive income and even having $1,000 days is very real. So if you are ready to take the first steps toward building a successful online business, I encourage you to click the link in the description and learn more about this powerful system. With the right mindset and the right resources, you can achieve your goals and create the kind of life you always dreamed of. So taking the first step is often the hardest, especially when it comes to investing in yourself and your future. It is understandable to feel hesitant and unsure about where to start. That is why I have created a free video training that provides valuable insights and golden nuggets learned from my own experience. This training is perfect for anyone who wants to dip their toes in the water and get a sense of what to expect before committing to anything. So if you are feeling unsure and just want to learn more, the free video training is here for you. Are you ready to take your business to the next level? Then hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to join my community of successful entrepreneurs. You will be the first to know when I drop new videos packed with tips and strategies for generating $1,000 days. If you are serious about achieving financial freedom and living life of your own terms, don't hesitate to reach out to me. I'm always looking for like-minded folks to collaborate with and share ideas with. Together we can build the life we truly deserve. So take action today, evaluate your current situation, and let's make your dreams of reality. Check out the link below to learn more and connect with me. I can't wait to see you in my next video. Until then, keep hustling and staying inspired. Bye bye.